Hi everybody and welcome to Tropical Malaysia. My name's Paul Baker and I'm the Global Strategy Director for PowerLife Global Health. Have we got a treat for you today? This is the LJAC factory, who are our partners in manufacturing for PowerLife, and we're going to show you everything they do from start to finish of producing the world's most incredible natural products, which we at PowerLife are privileged to be distributing throughout the world. So follow me and have a great afternoon at this wonderful factory. Come on, let's see what's inside.
All PowerLife products start with extensive research and development. Firstly, different ingredients are mixed together to achieve the desired compound. Then the blend is subjected to stability tests to measure shelf life and the consistency of taste, texture, colour and smell. It's also tested for moisture content. Next, the sterilisation process to remove all bacteria and pathogens so that the subsequent bacteria tests can be 100% accurate. Bacteria is then added to see how it will react with the compound. It's then grown in a temperature-controlled bacteria cultivator. Joanne then examines the interaction between the compound and the bacteria under a microscope and measures the bacteria colony. The final trials are carried out by feeding the compound to fish with similar DNA to our own over a 40-day period. Their blood profiles are then examined to establish the effects and measured. I asked Dr. Allen, Head of Research and Development, why research is so critical. After all, why not just go into the jungle and pick a plant?
So why the R&D is so important to a company? R&D is a core of a company, because we know that nowadays is a lot of competitive in this environment. So therefore, a company needs to innovate a more innovative product and new products to our customers in order to survive in these environments. Our company is different with other companies because we will conduct a series of the R&D research and development on nutrition. This is used to prove that the product is effective to the health of human beings. So for just now, I mentioned to you our product is go through a lot of processes. First, we will design a product. After that, we will do a testing on the stability test, and then finally, we will do on QC, quality assurance, and quality control. And last but not least, we will testing on the animal model. So that's why from the whole process, we can show that our product is very effective.
Ingredients like Ketchup Fatima, which are an essential part of our Prolady product, aren't farmed. They have to be tracked down and harvested from the jungle. It's then dried, shredded, and delivered to our factory for inspection and processing. A massive extraction tank is used to extract the active ingredient. The resulting liquid is then poured off. It's then concentrated down to a thick syrup. The most time-consuming part of the process comes next, freeze drying. There are many different ways of drying used by health supplement companies, including drum drying, which leaves moisture residues requiring additives, and oven drying, which unfortunately destroys much of the potency of the active ingredient. But, although the most expensive and drawn-out method, only freeze drying preserves the active ingredients to the highest possible level. The concentrated syrup is poured into trays, smoothed over, and then freeze-dried at a temperature of minus 40 degrees Celsius for 10 days. At the end of the process, only the essence of the product remains. This is then ground down and sent back to the laboratory for batch testing. Before mixing and packing, every batch of Ketchup Fatima, or indeed the active ingredient in any of our products, is measured to ensure the batch is of the highest quality and potency. Using a machine called an HPLC3, a sample of the ingredient is tested against established markers. If the sample, for any reason, doesn't measure up, the whole batch is rejected and a new batch processed. Prolady is well established, but we have a range of exciting new products coming to you very soon, including one for children and another for the huge slimming market. With the latest batch given the green light, our Ketchup Fatima is then mixed with collagen and other ingredients for our exclusive Prolady compound. The final mix is then injected into sachets, and each sachet heat sealed. This is the same process for all our powdered products. Samples of the sachets are then subjected to intense underwater pressure to ensure they're both air and watertight. Every single sachet is then individually weighed and packed by hand. This batch is being sent to our distributors in Africa. So, next stop, a PowerLife office near you. Well done, PowerLife producers. See you all next time.